Howdy doody meal preppers. Today we are making a no-cook meal prep. Mango, coconut, cashew, overnight oats. First, add a can of coconut milk to a large bowl. Then add 3 cups of milk. Then add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Mix the milks and chia seeds. Add 5 cups of old-fashioned oats. And mix it up again. Now lay out the meal prep containers. This recipe is for 2 people for 5 days, but we shared this meal together, so we only use 5 containers. Evenly portion out the oats mixture into each container. Now add a cup of frozen mango to each container. Lid the containers. And put them in the fridge until mealtime. Pull a container out of the fridge. Top with 1/2 cup of cashews. And enjoy! If you appreciated this video, then please hit the like button below. If you would like to see the free full recipe, then click the link below to go to mealprepfunday.com.